Hey guys, welcome to the Energy channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up this Wi-Fi camera on your phone using the Wi-Fi, or you can also set it up without Wi-Fi. In the video I'm going to show you can set up this camera on your phone without having a Wi-Fi router. So let's turn this camera on. Okay, so it's turned on. The camera can rotate in any angle. Okay, so now open Play Store, or if you have an Apple phone you can go to the App Store and search for the following app, which is V380 Pro, or you can download the simple V380. The camera works on both apps, so let it be downloaded. After downloading the application, you have to register on the app. You just have to enter your email here and set a password. I have already registered, so I'll just log in. Let me sign in to the app. Okay, let me correct it. And that's it. Now we are inside the app. So from here you can add the camera. Let me delete this one. Now I'm gonna show you how you can add your camera in the app. So tap on add device and now scan the QR code on the camera. There is our QR code. Let me scan it. It's gonna take some time, but you have to wait for it. There you can see it's saying device is offline. This means our camera is not connected to the Wi-Fi router, so we're gonna connect it directly. You can also connect your camera to your Wi-Fi router by scanning the code. You have to enter your Wi-Fi code on your phone here. Let me enter it. Confirm, and now you have to scan your phone with the camera lens, as you can see in the tutorial. You have to scan it like this. You have to try this again and again, but I'm not trying this. I'm gonna connect it directly to my phone to just show you how you can connect it. So I'm gonna use this option. And there you can see it's connecting now. Now just select where you want this camera. I'm gonna select it living room, and that's it. Now you can operate your camera from your phone, but before that you have to set a password for your camera. I'm gonna set a password. And confirm it. And that's it. There you can see. Now we can operate the camera from our phone. Let me just show you. There you can see. You can also move it from your phone, and you have a mic and a speaker option in the camera. You can also record everything in the camera by inserting an SD card. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.